iXR Lab's show working feature creates an environment where students can see and observe the principle on which machines work. Here is a jet engine in our machinery module. Now we'll point and click on the show working feature to show you the internal working of the engine. The inside components are visible and you can see how they are working with each other. There is a description that tells us about the jet engine, and if we move forward, our virtual assistant will describe the various stages of the process. The first stage is the air intake, and you can see the labeled intake fan which is involved in this stage to take in the air. The second stage is air compression, where the air is compressed by the compressors, which reduces its volume and increases the temperature and pressure as shown through the colors, which gradually change from blue to red. The third stage is combustion of the hot air in the combustion chamber, which releases a lot of heat energy. The fourth stage is the conversion of energy, where the heat energy is converted to rotational energy. These are the labeled components that are involved in this stage. The fifth and the final stage is exhaust, and you can see the nozzle at the back through which the gases propel the aircraft forward. We can always go close to the engine and see its internal working.